Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you on her vacation here in Georgia. We are at the Wolf Lounge cabin place and we'll be here for 5 days. I'm in the room right now and I'm going to get ready to go out to the water area. The kids are already there. It's like 10:30 in the morning. I'm not too sure why they're there so early, but they've been blowing up the phone telling me to come out there. And this is day 2, so what I'm going to do is get ready really quick. It's not going to be anything major. I'm just going to do something really fast. What I just put on was this No Pore Blend Primer by Touch and Soul. I would like to say a special thank you to Dee, one of my YT BFF. She is a person that knows how to put a smile on my face. I'm so grateful and so honored to have such an amazing sister here on the YT, and definitely check her out whenever you guys have an opportunity. I'm going to try to get this thing done within 10 minutes if possible. That's the AC. I'm going to probably not be all in order because I'm just working off of getting things out of the makeup kit that I took, my traveling bag, which came with a lot of stuff that I know I will not be using because I'm going once again into a water park. So we'll see what we'll come up with. I wanted to show you this beautiful festive Pure by Pure makeup eyeshadow, which probably won't be touched until tonight for dinner. I'm going to just try to do something really fast, really quick. I have bangs, so I'm not going to really touch up too much on the eyebrows because they'll be covered. And probably just do a very light powder type look. So I put on primer. Sorry for the lighting, you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the weekend. It's almost August. Can't wait for back to school. The kids are excited. They really have just been out and about today. They just finished having a breakfast. And now I'm just here trying my very best to scramble up putting things together because I started cleaning the room up. So let's see what I'll do. Let me my brushes on. All right, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. I brought my e.l.f. with me and the brush. There we go. So I'm just gonna put a couple of pumps. I feel like that's a lot. And just brush it over, all over. There go, I send my base. Now I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match powder in the C6 just to set it. Same brush. I didn't bring a lot of brush with me this time around either. I used to travel with so much makeup and didn't even use 50% of them because I was just on the go, rushing, doing whatever these kids wanted me to do and cleaning up. So you really don't have that much time to yourself when you're out and about. You think you do, but you don't. Especially when you're traveling with kids. All right. Let me just do we're at 4-minute mark. Let me just do a little quick eye look. And I'm going to use a blending brush. And I'm going to use the Hidden Desert. be my baseline. And now I'm going to use All Night on the sides. Let's see if I could get a nice pigment so that you could see it. All right, same brush, same blending brush. All right. Now, I didn't bring a pressing brush, did I? Nope. Okay, so I have to work some kind of magic. I'm gonna use the LA color in Warm Honey. To help with a little bit of a, treat it like a glue format sometimes to keep a nice little pop going. All right. I have to use my finger. I don't think this is gonna work. I am using Fireworks. Boom. Sorry if it's getting blurry back and forth. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Let me see if I can use my finger. There we go. I'm gonna put too much. I'm like, girl, you going to a water park? What is wrong with you? But I wanted to be a little festive. All right. All right. I don't have a mini mirror, so eyeliner going. Alright. I got the Knit Fab. I'm just so use a little bit of it. Ooh, all right. I'm sorry you guys see that I'm out of frame. Actually, I'm bending as we speak because there's no chair. A really good chair to get myself situated, right? And I'll just brush it on. All right. Let me get the contour. Got the Tarte contour that I'm using, right? Golden Light Spotlight by Milani. Did I bring my fan brush? No, I did not. No, I did not. So I'll use my finger again here. Not too much. Keep in mind I'm going to a water park, so it's all gonna fall out by the time I get out there. I'd love to do my brows, but I don't want that to get all that stuff. All right, let me put on my wig. All right, nice comb through. Clips on. we go. I'm gonna use a lip liner pencil. This is in a mauve. I'm gonna use this nice nude mint color. And then use the pencil over it. If this pencil works. There you guys go. There is my, it's supposed to be 10 minutes. Probably went over a little bit, but I'll see you guys later.